MakeUGC claims to revolutionize how brands create user-generated content. But does it live up to the hype? Today we're diving into this platform to see if it really simplifies video content creation, or if it's just another flashy tool with little substance. MakeUGC is designed to help brands generate authentic user-generated content by connecting them with creators. The platform focuses on streamlining the process of finding and collaborating with content creators, which is a big plus for brands looking to enhance their marketing strategies. When you first land on the site, it's clear that the user experience is a priority. The interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate through various sections. You can browse through a pool of creators, check their portfolios, and even see reviews, though the depth of feedback could be better. One feature that stands out is the ability to set specific campaign goals and track performance metrics, which is crucial for brands wanting to measure ROI. However, there's a lack of transparency regarding pricing details, which might leave potential users hesitant. Overall, while the concept feels promising, the execution raises some questions about clarity and accessibility. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, MakeUGC simplifies the process of sourcing creators, which can save brands a lot of time and effort. The tracking features are also a nice touch, allowing users to gauge the effectiveness of their campaigns. However, there are some frustrations. The pricing structure isn't clearly laid out, which could deter businesses that want to know their costs up front. Additionally, while the creator database is extensive, the quality and reliability of creators can vary, and there's limited feedback on some profiles. This platform may not be ideal for smaller brands or those new to UGC, as the learning curve can be steep. On the other hand, established brands looking for a streamlined solution might find it beneficial. In conclusion, MakeUGC offers a compelling approach to generating user-generated content, especially for brands with a clear strategy. However, if you're a smaller business or just starting out, you might want to explore alternatives that provide clearer pricing and more accessible creator options. Overall, it's worth a try, but proceed with caution.